In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome's error_connection_timed_out error. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here and you want to go to the settings. So inside settings, you want to go to network and internet. Over here, go to proxy and then make sure automatically detect settings is turned off. Turn this one off, and then over here, make sure the use a proxy server is also turned off and disabled. After this, you can just go back here. So next thing you can do is you want to go to Google and go to the browsing history. So here what we're going to do is basically clear the history. So if you go here to settings and go to privacy and security, you're going to see delete browsing data. So what you're going to do is select everything and then select all time and then just delete data to clear your browsing, your cached images and files. And after you do this, you can check if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, then you want to go open CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here we're gonna run some commands. So first command, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So write this command down and press enter. After this, now you want to write the second command. So you want to write ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Then you want to write ipconfig /release and press enter. Then you want to write ipconfig /register DNS and press enter. Then you want to write in netsh winsock reset and press enter. And lastly, you want to type in sfc /scan now and press enter and let it load. This might take a few minutes. Scan your folders. And after this last command finishes, you can just close this down and restart your computer and your issue is fixed.